This is a demonstration of how to donate your tithing or your fast offerings or just to make your donations online. What we're going to do is we're going to go to any web browser and we're going to type in churchofjesuschrist.org. On the left-hand side, there's a little drop-down menu. We're going to drop that down and we're going to go to My Account and Ward. We need to sign in. So now we're going to hit Sign In and we're going to sign into our account. At this point, we're going to go back to the left side, go down to the drop-down menu, and we're going to go to My Account and Ward. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to go to Donations. At this point, you can type in, I'm going to scroll down to it, or you can type in how much you want to donate for tithing or fast offerings to the General Missionary Fund, to a Ward Missionary Fund, Humanitarian Aid, or other. And the others that they have in there right now are Book of Mormon Fund and the Temple Construction Fund. But if we go to Ward Missionary Fund, at the very top it says missionary in other ward or branch. You can actually donate to another ward or branch, a missionary there. But you're going to need to get the branch number. And so you can get that from the ward clerk. Okay, but I'm going to go cancel. And today what we're going to do is we're going to just make a donation, and for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to donate $1 to the Fast Offering Fund. I'm going to hit Next Step. At this point, it's going to say, which account would you like to take it out of? Because I've already set up a checking account, or I've already set my account in there, you can see that I can just pull it out of there. If this is your first time doing this, let's go down to New Account, so Add New Account. And we're going to go down here and select one. What account type is it? Is it a checking account, a savings account? And then you're going to give it a name for it. And then you're going to do a routing number. Now it shows you how to do a routing number and the account number down here. And so routing number and account number. You just get that all set up. You hit that you agree to the terms that they say, hey, we're going to be pulling money out of your bank account as you do this. And so then you'd hit save. Now I've already got one set up, so I'm going to go back. Okay, so now I'm back here, and I'm just going to hit Next Step. And it's going to say Review and Submit. And I can edit it. I can just take a look at that. It says tithing, fast offerings, whatever. And then I can edit what I want to add, edit the bank account, go down here, and hit Submit. It's that simple. And so now you've paid your tithing or your fast offerings or whatever you'd like to pay online. I'm going to hit Done. Okay, I can hit Print Receipt if I'd want to, but I'm going to hit Done. Awesome. That is how to do it. Once you get set up, it's very simple and very easy. This is the way that I prefer to pay my tithing and my fast offerings, is just because when I think about it, I get paid. I can just quickly do it without having to fill out envelopes and other things like that. Anyway, thanks for watching.